watching Healthy Fun Cookies with this one.
I am Michelle and this t-shirt. And my aunt gave this me because I love this shirt.
Okay, so today, as you see, the 100 kit electronic kit set, snap kit. That's why today we're gonna do the fan one. Good. So it's the second project, as you know. So at the last video, I did a bow, and today we're gonna do a fan. Okay. So let's open it. So my sister will all introduce to you.
Sure. Guys, show this.
As you know, these are the stuff that whatever we have
in the bowl, in our mouth.
And this is the instructions, and this is the base, the layout where you have to put
the board bread. Okay, and now.
And these are all the modern wires. See, these all the blue ones with the 2
And be careful because I have do like this to them.
Now we're just gonna do it.
So this.
Yeah, this is the battery holder.
This is the battery and the right.
And the other guys. This is the speaker.
Okay, so
okay, now I will tell you what to do. So that
now give me.
So as you know that I just told you previously that we're gonna make a fan. So this is the motor and this is a fan. So if some of you think that this is the fan, then what is this? This is not correct. This is the motor. Okay, sis, you're gonna put that. I'm gonna give you the stuff.
Okay. I'm gonna avoid.
There we go. Which switch? So there are two types of switches.
I put the book right over there, and I did this one.
There are two types of switches. Like one is you have to press and then it will on. If you do like this, then it will just stop.
Okay.
And this like the on and off switch.
I think only.
Yeah, since we don't want our hand like that.
I'm gonna use this one. Okay,
till now like this, now like that.
Well, why do you like this?
You're doing it wrong.
Yeah. No, I do like this.
Wait.
You don't know.
Wait. You have to put it too close, okay?
Okay.
No. And now there we go. We only need two. There, put twos.
I know now. Okay, like this.
Three and
snap.
And there you go.
And snap.
And snap.
Okay,
so
now
we're going to test it. So
first time it's on.
Since you're so much talkative.
I know why. Because I'm a chatterbox. Wow!
Success.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's moving. See?
It's moving.
The plate is moving for me.
The plate is moving.
See, it's rotating.
I think it was off.
Be careful because this is very damaging stuff. It even gives out hair.
Yep.
So, and now, as you know, the electrons pass and the plus sign, the minus sign, the electrons, and the electrons pass from minus, and even if you think that they just stop over here, no, that's the wrong side. You have to do like that. The electrons pass, and then it works, and then it goes. The electrons go from here and from here and then from here, and that's how. And if you just put a circuit like so if you just put these ones like these. So the electrons will just be wasted, like they'll just go from here, from here.
And they'll be waste.
And they will just be waste. So that's why I don't do it.
Waste.
You have to put something.
The battery,
the motor, fan. How we put it?
Okay, so
I think we should set it. So guys, if you like this video, like and subscribe.